So first thing we have to complete the one of the column, one of the row here, that the student carry out the same procedure for a value of 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60, and his readings are shown in the table. Okay. Then record in table 1.1 the value of 1 over t, where t is the time for one oscillation of a meter rule. Use the value for t in table 1.1 and the equation that 1 over t is equals to 5 over small t.
It means like 5
Look.
t equals to 1.
No, we need 1 over t only. Look, here we want to write a value for 1 over t. And they mentioned the equation is 1 over t is equals to what? It is 5 over small t. So I need 1 over t. 1 over t is 5 over small t. So this is 5, and what is small t?
10.
No. Small t.
25.
Or 10 oscillation is the number of oscillation, but the time for that oscillations, these oscillations, that is 17.5, 17.85. So it will be 5 divided by 17.85. What is the answer? 5 divided by 17.85? Yes.
Why you divide 5 by 6?
Because in the question, they ask us to complete this part. Okay. And they said that 1 over t, they give us the equation 1 over t is 1 over t is equals to 5 over small t.
0.28.
And
Round it off to 0.
5. And what about t? T is 17.85. 0.28. So we write it 0.28.
No, sir.
10.
1.9.
So 0. Clear? How much?
0.2.
Okay, 0.28. That is what we did. Like we have the value for d like 1 over t. Now plot a graph for d on y-axis and 1 over t on x-axis. They will mention what is there on x-axis and what is on the y-axis. Now, what are the values? I will write the values first. Look, no, we did not start a graph. We have to plot a graph. The first thing what we have to do in the question they mention, use your value for a t in table 1.1 and the equation. We have to complete this part. According to the equation, the value of 1 over t, it is 5 divided by small t. So this is 5. And what about the small t? The value of a small t is 17.85. So the value of 1 over t is what? 5 divided by 17.85. That is 0.28. So we wrote here 0.28 or 0.28.
0.2.
Is it clear, Anas?
So the last one is the time for one oscillation.
Reciprocal of one oscillation, not time for one oscillation. No, we will see now. Look, the values what we have d and we have 1 over t. 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. Okay. When you plot any graph, the scale is very important, the scale which you select, but you should always take like cover 70% of your graph paper should be covered. You're stretching the axis until you cover about 70%. What does it mean? Like the next page, you have a graph. Now, in the question, they mentioned what we have to plot on x-axis and what we have to plot on y-axis. What we have to plot on x-axis? 1 over t. So I need 1 over t here. So in exam, how to label this? So you will write 1 over t slash 1 over second. Because the quantity what you are plotting and the unit of that quantity. Now, in the question, we have what is the smallest value of 1 over t? 0.28. What is the highest value of 1 over t? 0.88. So means my graph is from 0.28 to 0.88. And in the question, they did not say us that I should start from 0. So I can start with any number. Let's say if I start.
Sir, I think starting from 0 is better.
Why not d on x-axis? Because that is they mention here. In the question, they specify that this 1 over t is on x-axis. So you have to plot 1 over t on x-axis.
Sir, we can start from 0 and that 1.
Yes, you can do that as well. So like if
How
you,
you will do
no,
It is.
so example, if I select 0.2 here, because I want to stretch the scale, so I will cover 70% of this paper, the draft paper, access. I'm saying I'm giving, I know what scale I have to select, but the thing is I'm giving you options like how to select a scale. Let's say like the values, the number from 0.28 to 0.88 should be like 70%. If line is 10 centimeter for the axis, 7 centimeters should be covered. No, minimum. Maximum it can be more than 70%. So if I start, let's say I start with 0, then I wrote 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, 1.0. So this is also fine. I will cover about 70% because I will start, my first value will be starting from around this point and the last value will be, so it's fine. That is x-axis we selected. No pencil now.
Erase it, sir.
Then what about D? Is it clear? What about D? D is in centimeter. So, and you can draw a line to make it like it will appear neat if you draw a line on for the x-axis. So the value of a D, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So we have, let's say if I select here 20, 40, 60. Is it good? This scale?
No, sir, no.
Because the values, only this part I will cover. It will not, what?
20, 30, 40.
So if I select 20, no, but if I select 20, 30, that's also wrong. Why? Because this is 20, no, this is 20 and this is 10. How a graph can have the unequal
You
division?
can do it for the.
If I select like example, let's say I select here, this I select as 10, then 20, then 30, then 40, then 50, and then 60. So I'm covering most part of the graph paper, like the scale. So it's not like you have to start with origin. You can start with any number. Some cases, some graphs, they specify your graph should start from origin. So then you don't have any choice. But if they don't say, you can start your graph with any number which can cover 70% of your graph paper. Okay. Then we plot the results. What are the results? 20 and 0.28. Yes, because zero, this 0 is for x-axis. And this 10 is for y-axis.
That dot connect with online. Sir, when dot connect.
Now plot the results 20 and 0.28. So 20 and 0.28 will be somewhat like 0.224, 2628. So this will be 20 and 0.28. 30 and 0.44. The next we need a gradient. So no, you have to draw a line of a best fit.
Sir, ये नहीं कहा था sir, plot a graph कर दिया.
No, but you need a gradient next part. So you need a line of a best fit. 40 and 0.7.
फिर तुम सुनते
So it needs to cover 70%.
Yeah.
That's it. So you can do.
10 boxes equals to 0.2. So each is 0.02. Okay. And then let's see, first box after 20.2, it's 0.22. The next is 0.24. Next is 0.26. Next is 0.24. Then we have 50 and 0.72. That we did, and 50 and 0.72. So 0.7, yes, sir. So 0.72 here. No, it should be a straight line. Because the next part is finding a gradient. So if I need a gradient, it should be a straight line. 60 and 0.88. So 60 and 0.88. So 1, 2, 3, 4. No. 0.1, 2, 0.88. So it's 4 boxes after 4 boxes after 0.8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I will join these points and I should draw a straight line. How I will know whether the line, And it should be a best fit straight line. What is the meaning of the term best fit straight line? It has a number of the points above and below should be same. Like I will draw a line. If I have 2 points above and 2 points below, that's a line of a best fit. And how I know it should be a straight line, because we need the value for G, the gradient. So, and how to find the gradient? Is it clear how we sketch a graph? Anas, Iman, Saim. Yeah, good.
Thanks, motivation.
सर आपने एक point है
Which one?
नहीं मैंने कहा
Plot the graph.
फिर आपने overtime ले लिया, क्या क्या?
सर भाई
Just we are about to finish. Then you know how to find the gradient?
Yeah.
How to find the gradient? Gradient is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So you will take 2 points on the line, anywhere you can take. Try to make a 5 centimeter or more distance between the 2 points. The first point on x-axis will be x1. The first point on y-axis will be y1. The second point on x-axis will be x2, and the second point on y-axis will be y2. So this is x1. In this case, we have x1 is 0.2.
0.2.
Sorry,
Yes.
why did we start the line from down? So, but we don't need the extra lines. Let's start from.
Yes, you can start from here. That's fine. But I extend the line so that I will get a.
It's like 50,
So what is x2?
50.
0.8. This is 0.8. What is x1? Oh, sorry, what is y1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15, good. And what is y2? 1, 2, 3, 4. 54. So you'll use a formula y2 minus y1, 54 minus 15, divided by x2 minus x1, so 0.8 minus 0.2. 54 minus 15, so 39, divided by 0.6. 39, so 360, 390 divided by 6. What's the answer?
6.5.
Which one?
6.5.
For a grade.
6.5.
Okay, 6.5 is a gradient. How to find a gradient? Take any 2 points on the line. The first point when you draw, like you took 2 points, the first point on x-axis is called x1. The second point on x-axis is called x2. The same way, the first point on y-axis is called y1, and the second point on y-axis is called y2. So what are the values of x1, y1, x2, y2? And finding the gradient.
6.5, just 6.5.
Then unit will be there, but we just need the number.
We will write the unit.
Sir, I am getting 47.36.
Oh, that's correct. Right, 39 divided by 6.
No, 0.6.
I did.
39 divided by 0.6.
Yes.
What's the answer?
0.6 करेंगे तो मेरे
Yeah, it should be higher.
मेरे gradient हिसाब से 47.36 है मेरा gradient
39 divided by 0.6. Say 65 ना.
65. You told 6.5.
सर मेरा
Point आगे बीच में.
सर मेरे range में
Okay.
47.36
I will see. Just, but this graph is not good. You will lose a mark for the graph. For a graph, it should be thin lines, single line, thin line. Point should be correct.
That's it. Like this.
सर मैंने arrange भी किया
So this is a graph. Any question related to the class today?
so don't remove it